like it's really well packed. And let's open this up here. First you got, this looks like the camera itself here. Wow, this is the bag that comes with. Let's see how you open this here. Looks like you gotta open this. Instruction manual or tag. And I'm gonna cut this up, take that off. Nice, very nice. So the combo comes with the bag, looks like it. Look at this thing. This thing is tiny, and this is OLED, 2-inch OLED screen. So we'll move that there, and this looks like the power charger block, or no, it's I don't know what this is. Looks like that's a adapter for your stand. And then this is the, let's open this up here. Oh, this could be the extra battery pack. Looks like it. And then let's see what else comes in here. Oh, this is the stand. Nice, very nice. So you got the stand. And then this is the microphone damper, looks like it. Your strap, power cord charger. Looks like a USB-C. Looks like your wide lens. And this is magnet. That's the nice thing about it's magnet. So you don't have to worry about snapping it on. It's just, and then this is your DJI microphone. I heard this is the new version. Version 2, I believe. Could be wrong. And then don't know what this is. I have to find out, but this came with it. More let's see here, but this is the bag. Very nice, you can fit everything in there, very compact. You got some instruction manual. Let's see what's in this box here. Oh, more items. This is your case. Case, and it looks like you can put your lens, your wide lens in there, and your Black Pro Mint. I still got to figure out what that is. But this is your combo. Comes with all this. Go over a couple of things here again. I found out what this is. This is your magnet clip for your microphone. I'm sorry, this is your magnet clip for your microphone. So I guess you're supposed to put, you see that's how it works. It's pretty strong magnet. You can hear that. Wow, it's so strong I can't even pull it up. And it's your wide lens again, and extra battery power pack. And I believe this is you can get another hour out of this battery pack. This goes on this is your adapter, and then here's your legs. You screw it on. Let's see how that works. You just go like that. Okay. And this is there's no internal memory, so it's all USB-C, it's all micro SD card that goes in this camera for your memory. So here I'm gonna use a pocket case here. It looks like you can put your. So I'm gonna take out these this magnet, or this is the wide angle lens. You can see that. It's a wide angle. I believe it's 20 mil wide angle, and you can put that in this case here. Put that down. And so you can see it's magnetic. Even the case is magnetic. You put it in there, and here, see how it sticks to it. And also, this microphone magnetic. Let's open it here. Get that out of the way, and let's see that. Yeah, it just pops on there. Then you put your camera, you want your lens going that way, and it just sits in there like that. It's protective. Yeah, it's a protective case. So that's how you use that. Okay, you fuss like that, so when you drop it, it's not too bad. And now let's take it back out. Just take it back out like that. Here's your mount. It pops on. Put on your leg, and that's it. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this screen off. This 2-inch screen, and it's last time they updated this Pocket 2 Osmo was 3 years ago. So let's turn it on here. So it's a big improvement, I heard. Let's turn it on. There it goes. Or you can turn it on by flipping the screen like that. Let's do English. Okay. It's touchscreen too. Oh, look at that. So here I'm going to go over how to use this real quick. You swipe, turns on. You swipe up. You get to choose your resolution. You can do up to 4K 60 frames per second. Let's see, 1080p here. And you swipe back down, you go back to regular screen. You swipe down here, you can select, you can see here, you can where you want to change everything, rotate screen, screen brightness, got selfie, microphone, wireless mic, landscape mode, or you want to do portrait. Jumping back here, you got rotation speed, and then you got fast. Rotation speed is when how you want the gimbal rotate with your controller. And here you got, when you tap that, you zoom in. Let me get closer here. You can see. Tap that again. You use joypad to zoom in. Here you can do yourself on the gimbal. Let's see here. This, you hit that. It's your settings. You want photo, panorama view here, or video, low light, slow motion. Let's go back to video. Just like that. This is where you can do 90, 180 degrees dynamic framing, face auto detect. So that's a quick tutorial of what you can do on this gimbal here and camera. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this camera tonight for our trick-or-treating. I'm gonna upload some other videos so you guys can be the judge how well this camera does. I'm looking forward to the 1-inch. It has 4K capability, and only thing that I heard was it does overheat when you use in 4K to record in 4K. I guess that's kind of normal, but if you're doing 4K quite a bit, that's something you might be concerned of. And the reason I went with this is the battery. I heard it's 4 hours. You also got a an hour extra battery, and it does charge, I believe, 60-minute quick charge up to 80%, and then it's like 30 minutes for a full charge. So I'm excited. Enjoy the rest of the video, and you can be the judge of how well this camera does. Walk around the house. It's trick-or-treating evening here where we live. This is me walking really fast. Running towards the golf cart. Okay, try the 360 on this. Let's see. This is the camera in low light. Let's see what it looks like. Can you see Sebastian? Hey buddy. Hey.
Sebastian.
Sebastian.
He's checking out what is left of the candy.
This is us walking. Let's see how stable it is. What'd you find, buddy?
Nice.
It looks good. It looks pretty bright.
Really clear.
Yeah, birds flying around. You can hear it. I don't have the microphone on me. This is all voice recorded on the pocket itself. Yeah, let me switch it over here. Just by pressing a button, you can see active tracking here, as you can see. Checks every on my movement, even in a low light condition. Get closer to the house. This is a zoom. Zoom in on the house. Sebastian.
Yeah.
Where? Check out your outfit, buddy. Check out your outfit. Construction worker, where's your calling at?
Yes, you did.
Sebastian.